Hello friends, myself Rajendra Mahajan presenting my video on Maxima Minima. Let us solve the problem. Discuss Maxima Minima of u is equal to x square plus y square plus xy plus x minus 4y plus 5. U is a function of two independent variable x and y, and therefore to obtain the Maxima Minima necessary condition is dou u by dou x is equals to 0 and dou u by dou y is equals to 0. Therefore, differentiating that u with respect to x, we get dou u by dou x keeping y constant. Derivative of x square is 2x. Differentiation of y square is 0. Differentiation of xy with respect to x is y. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of 4y 0 and derivative of 5 is 0. And then equating it to 0, we get that is 2x plus y plus 1 equal to, then differentiating u with respect to y, differentiating u with respect to y, keeping x constant, and therefore partial derivative of u with respect to y, differentiation of x square is 0, derivative of y square is 2y, differentiation of xy with respect to y is x, derivative of x is 0 and derivative of minus 4y is minus 4 and derivative of constant term is 0, and equating it to 0, that is we get x plus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. Then solving these two equations for x and y, we get first equation as rewriting it 2x plus y is equal to minus 1, and second equation as x plus 2y is equal to plus 4. Solving it by elimination procedure, multiplying first equation by 1 and second by 2, we get that equation as 2x plus y is equal to minus 1, and second equation multiplying it by 2, we get that term as 2x plus 4y and is equal to 8. Then subtracting it, 2x minus 2x get cancelled, plus y minus 4y we get minus 3y, as minus 1 minus 8 minus 9, dividing by minus 3 we get y is equal to 9 by 3 as 3. Substituting that value in second equation, we get x is equal to 4 minus 2y. It is 4 minus 2 times y, y is 3. 4 minus 6, 4 minus 6 we get as minus 2. And therefore that point is x is minus 2, y is 3, at which we can obtain the maxima or minima. Here the half part is over. Using that necessary condition, we have obtained the values of x and y. Then we differentiate dou u by dou x again with respect to x to obtain the value of dou u by dou x square, nothing but r. Therefore, differentiating this equation with respect to x, derivative of 2x is 2 and derivative of the remaining term is 0. Therefore, we get the value of r as 2. Then s as dou u by dou x dou y. is obtained either differentiating this term with respect to y or this term with respect to x. I am differentiating dou u by dou x with respect to y. We get that derivative as 1 and remaining terms derivative is 0. Therefore, we get that value of s as 1 and t as dou 2u by dou y square as, again differentiating this dou u by dou y with respect to y, we get that derivative as 2. These are the values of r, s and t. Then we determine that values at point minus 2, 3. As these values are independent of x and y, values remain the same. Therefore, we get r as 2, s as 1 and t as 2. As no term of xy is there, we get the same value for r, s and t. Then we have to check the condition, sufficient condition. For that we have to find the value of r, t minus s square. The value of r is 2, t is 2 and s is 1, therefore 1 square. 4 minus 1, we get that value as 3 greater than 0. And as it is greater than 0, we get either maxima or minima. And to decide whether it is maximum or minimum, at that point we have to check the value of r. Here the value of r is 2, again greater than 0, and therefore as per the conditions, when rt minus s square is greater than 0 and r is greater than 0, u is minimum. And if we want to find the minimum value of u, put that x as minus 2 and y as 3 in that equation. Therefore, equation is x square means minus 2 square plus y square 3 square plus xy, x is minus 2, y is 3 plus x is minus 2 minus 4y, y is 3 and plus 5. And therefore, simplifying it, we get minus 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 3 to the 6 minus 6, minus 2, 4 to the 12 minus 12 and plus 5. And therefore, we get 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, minus 12 minus 6 minus 18 and minus 2, and therefore sum of all this term is minus 2. This is the minimum value. Therefore, in required answer, first of all we have to check whether there is a maxima or minima. As per this condition, when rt minus s square is greater than 0 and along with that r as greater than 0, we get the minimum value. That is the first part. And second part, find u minimum by substituting the value of x as minus 2, y as 3 in the given u. We get the value as minus 2. That is the required answer. Please like my video, share it, as well as subscribe to my channel, and to receive the notification, please press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.